Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about the vision organ eyes. Yes, vision organ eyes. Here I am showing the figure about the eyes structure of an eye. Children, you know the importance of an eye. Okay, through the eye only we can see the things around us. Okay, see here our eye, which has many parts. Yes, so there are many parts of our eye and brain that become together allows to see. Yes, the parts of an eye and the brain become together and allows to see the things. Okay, now let us study about the important parts of an eye. See here, listen: cornea, iris, retina, optic nerve. So these four are very important parts of an eye. Listen, one by one I will tell you the importance of the parts of an eye. First, cornea. Listen children, where is located the cornea? It is the front portion. Yes, front portion of an eye. Yes children, so it is the front portion of an eye. And function of cornea. Function of cornea means it receive information. It receive light. Information means light. It receive light and it send it to inner parts of the eye. Okay, so cornea, it is the front portion of an eye. It receive light and send it into inner parts of an eye. Okay children, so next iris. See here, iris. Listen, where is located? It is located just behind the cornea. Okay, just behind the cornea. Even iris also going to be perform important function. What is the function means? It regulates the amount of light entering the eye. Yes, by adjusting the size of the pupil. Yes, so it regulates the amount of light entering into the eye. How it means? By adjusting the pupil, the size of the pupil. Yes, the size of the pupil. Pupil is nothing but it is a small hole in the middle of the iris. Yes, small hole in the middle of the iris. Pupil is the small hole in the middle of the iris. Next, the size of the pupil. Yes, small hole I said no. The size of the pupil decreases or increases depends upon the intensity of light. Yes, intensity of light entering to the eye. See here, this lab. Listen, the size of the pupil increasing or decreasing, it depends upon the intensity of the light entering to eye. Okay children, next eye lens. After that, eye lens. See here, eye lens. Eye lens, it's made up of transparent. Yes, eye lens, it's made up of transparent. It is a jelly-like substances. Which has jelly-like substances? It's made up of protein. See here, eye lens, it's a jelly-like substances is made up of protein. Okay children, next retina. Check. Retina is a delicate membrane children. See here, retina is a delicate membrane. Okay, which having a large number of sensitive cell. So sensitive cell, where its image is going to be formed. Okay, where is image is going to be formed. So retina is a delicate membrane having a large number of sensitive cells. So here only the images are going to be formed. After that, optic nerve. Here where is located optic nerve? Optic nerve is located in the back of the eye. Yes children, back of the eye. It is also called a cranial nerve. It's a cranial nerve because depends upon the function. We can call like that because the function of this nerve, it transport visual information from where to means from the retina to the brain. Okay, from the retina, listen, from the retina to the brain. Okay, so this is the different parts of an eye and function of the parts. Okay, children, see here. So important of an eye already I told you. So different parts of an eye, very important parts of an eye: eye lens, cornea, iris, retina, optic nerve. Okay, children, and care of eyes. So I know that wash the eyes regularly with clean and cold water, as well as do not use dirty handkerchief or same towel as the person having eye infection, because we should not use things from infected person, so maybe chances to spread the diseases, spread the infection from infected person to normal person. So that's why while using the handkerchief and towel also we should be very careful, and even never watch TV from a short distance is very, very important. Okay, because vision problems, so it leads some problems. So we should not watch TV from a short distance. There should be a distance of at least 10 feet between you and TV. Okay, so just you want to keep in your mind. And finally, don't read while traveling in a moving vehicles. So while traveling, we should not read any books, because it's also leads some problem. Okay, so don't read while traveling in a moving vehicle. Okay, children, and read books in normal light, which is very, very important. Read books in a normal light, which is neither dim nor too bright. Okay, so your normal light, we want to read in normal light. Okay, that must be a normal light. So too dim and too bright light also we should not use while reading. Okay, also ensure the book should be at least 12 inches away from your eyes. So 12 inches of distance we want to keep from in between the textbook and eye, so that we want to maintain. Okay, so even the these things we want to follow. Okay, so these are the care of eyes. Okay, children, thank you, children.